Welcome. We'll progress through 3 levels from foundational for sesto advanced expressions, ensuring you build your skills from the ground up. Let's begin. Today, we're going to practice 330 daily life conversation English sentences. Shadowing practice. These are sentences that native speakers use all the time. At the coffee shop, at work, at school, everywhere. I've split them into 3 easy parts. Part 1 has 110 easy sentences. Part 2 has 110 normal sentences. Part 3 has 110 hard sentences. And here's how this will help you. When you say the words with me, your mouth learns the movements. Your brain learns to think in English quickly. Your confidence gets better with every sentence. By the end of this video, English will feel easier to speak. But I have one simple request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video. Don't think part 1 is too basic and go to part 2. Every part matters. You need to start with the basics first. Just like building a house, you begin from the bottom. If you do all 330 sentences with me today, you'll see results. Your speaking will get smoother. Your pronunciation will improve.
So, here's what you should do right now.
Get ready for this practice. Maybe take a notebook and pen. Find a quiet room where you can talk out loud. Switch off all distractions. Focus on me completely. Are you ready to start with them? Are you ready to practice 330 sentences? All right, let's start part 1. These are simple sentences you use every day. Listen to me first, then say it after me 2 times. Saying it twice will help you remember better. Let's go. Part 1. Easy sentences. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I brush me teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed quickly. I get dressed quickly. I make me bed. I make my bed. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read the news. I read the news. I leave for work. I leave for work. I drive to the office. I drive to the office. I take the bus. I take the bus. I walk to school. I walk to school. The weather's nice today. The weather is nice today. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. The store is closed. The store is closed. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. I slept well last night. Did I slept well last night? What time is it? What time is it? It's almost noon. It's almost noon. I'm running late. I'm running late. Running late means you are going to be late. You don't have enough time.
Can you help me?
Can you help me? Sure. No problem.
Sure.
No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please.
I'm sorry about that.
I'm sorry about that.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I have a question. I have a question. Where's the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall. It's down the hall. Down the hall means go straight in the hallway or corridor. Turn left here. Turn left here. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. Did you see my phone? Did you see me phone? It's on the table. It's on the table. I found it. Thanks. I found it. Thanks.
I'm so hungry right now. I'm so hungry right now.
What's for lunch? What's for lunch? Explanation. What's for lunch means, what food are we eating for lunch? I want pizza today. I want pizza today. Let's order some food. Let's order some food.